Surat al-Ikhlas, chapter of making exclusive. In the name of Allah, the merciful, the compassionate, say He is Allah, one, Allah the eternal. He's brought not forth, nor hath He been brought forth, co-equal with Him. There have never been anyone. Now, this is stronger in meaning in the Arabic. And Aleister Crowley even posted this chapter at the beginning of one of his books, although he adds the T at the end in a case. You know, those two dots that make the ha, the t sound. But it doesn't change the letter, so that, I mean, so it's interesting when you see that. But one of the things, so we have the absolute monotheism, the absolute pantheism, and the absolute atheism. But the atheism is, you know, because people say, "Whoa, this person's an atheist." Literally, the term has been used to say, you know, because you're negating the sort of deity that people have, not the parent, not the child, not like anything and anything, and God being self-sufficient and the ultimate in everything, and one, but one in a way that's we kind of aren't.